In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create temporary Gmail accounts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once you have that up, head over to accounts.google.com. This is where the magic begins. Once the page loads, you'll see an option that says Create Account. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll be prompted to select the purpose of your account. Three choices. You have three choices: for my child, or for work or my business. Pick the option that fits your needs best by clicking on it. Now that you've made your selection, it's time to enter your information. Start with your first name and last name. After you've filled that in, click Next. The next step will ask for some basic info, like your date of birth and gender. After you've provided that, hit Next again. This is where the fun part kicks in. You'll notice that Google might suggest a few potential email addresses for you, but if none of those resonate, don't worry. You can click on Create Your Own Gmail address to choose something unique that you prefer. Once you're satisfied with your new email address, just hit Next. Now we need to create a password. It's really important to pick something strong and unique to keep your account secure. Type your password in the field provided, and then you'll need to confirm it by retyping it in the Confirm field. Once you're all set with the password, click Next to move forward. This next step is optional but highly recommended. You can choose to add recovery information like a recovery email or a phone number. This is a lifesaver if you ever get locked out of your account for any reason. If you're not ready to do this just now, you can simply click Skip. Okay, we're almost done. You'll now see a review of your account details. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is correct, so take a moment to go over it closely. When you're sure everything looks good, click Next. You will then be presented with Google's privacy and terms. This document outlines how Google handles your data and the terms of using their services. I encourage you to read through it. If you agree with the terms presented, scroll down and click on the button that says I agree. And there you have it. You've successfully created your very own temporary Gmail account. Remember, when you use this account, you can enjoy the convenience of Gmail for various purposes, whether it's for signing up for newsletters, accessing services without tying in your main account, or simply keeping your personal inbox clutter-free. If you found this tutorial helpful and think others might, feel free to share our video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.